Welcome to Auto Flair Words. Today, we're diving into the legendary Rolls-Royce Silver Ghost, a masterpiece that defined luxury motoring in the early 20th century. Produced between 1906 and 1926, the Silver Ghost earned its reputation as the best car in the world, for good reason. The car featured a 7.0-liter, later upgraded to 7.4-liter, straight-six engine producing about 40 to 50 horsepower. That might sound modest today, but back then, it delivered unmatched smoothness and reliability. Its engine was paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, offering a remarkably quiet and refined driving experience. The Silver Ghost's chassis was a thing of beauty, crafted with precision and durability. It featured a steel and wood combination, ensuring a strong yet flexible structure. Suspension was achieved with semi-elliptical leaf springs and solid axles, providing a surprisingly comfortable ride for its time. Inside, the Silver Ghost was a haven of luxury. Although interiors varied based on coach builders, high-quality materials like polished wood, rich leather, and elegant brass fittings were common. The craftsmanship and attention to detail were simply unmatched. The exterior design was equally stunning, with its elongated bonnet, flowing fenders, and graceful lines. Its nickel-plated radiator and iconic Spirit of Ecstasy mascot on top made it instantly recognizable. Beyond beauty, the Silver Ghost was built to last. Its durability was proven in a 1913 endurance run from London to Edinburgh, covering over 14,000 miles without a mechanical fault. Even today, the Rolls-Royce Silver Ghost remains a symbol of excellence and elegance, a timeless piece of automotive history. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to keep up with more classic car reviews here on Auto